Hi, boys and girls. We are going to be reading all about seahorses today. And so before we do, let's go ahead and do the parts of our book. So front cover, back cover, spine. And as you notice, our spine is too thin, so it does not have important information on it. Title, name of the book, title. And our title is Seahorses. And it's written by Melvin and Gilda Berger. Now, there is not an illustrator because there are actual pictures in this book. This book is a non-fiction fact book, so we will be writing 3 or more sentences about seahorses, and they will be facts. Let's go ahead and get started. Title page. This is the title page. Seahorses by Melvin and Gilda Berger. Meet the seahorse. So here's a neat picture. It's showing you the whole body of a seahorse, and it's in a habitat. It looks like some reefs and some seaweed. See the head of a seahorse. Fun fact, the seahorse is a fish that lives in warm, shallow water. Most seahorses are about 6 inches long. So that's about this long. The seahorse has a head like a horse. So you can notice the similarities. There's a long snout. It has eyes on the side. See the tail of a seahorse. So here's the tail. Fun fact, a seahorse uses its tail for holding onto seaweed, not for swimming. So that's to keep the seahorse safe from floating away in the current of the water. The seahorse has a tail like a monkey. So I noticed the tail on the monkey, how it's wrapped around. That's how it's wrapped around in that picture. See the skin of a seahorse. Fun fact, the body of a seahorse is covered with hard plates. So that's for protection. So each one of those little areas right here, those are hard plates. The seahorse has skin like an insect. So the insect also has hard plates to cover its body and protect its insides. See the fin of a seahorse. So I'm going to move it up closer. Notice the fin right here. The seahorse has a fin like other fish. And there's the fin on the other fish. Okay. Fun fact, the seahorse uses the fin on the middle of its back to swim through the water. See the pouch of a seahorse. So there's the pouch, and if you look closely, you can see little babies popping out. Okay? Fun fact, the female seahorse leaves eggs in the male's pouch. He carries the eggs until they hatch. So the daddy does that, just like when we read in Mr. Seahorse yesterday. The male seahorse has a pouch like a female kangaroo. So just like the mama kangaroo. See the eyes of a seahorse. There's the eyes. Fun fact, each eye of the seahorse moves its own way. One eye may look up while the other eye looks down. So it can go in 2 different directions at the same time. The seahorse has eyes like a lizard. And this particular lizard is called a chameleon, and the chameleon can move its eyes 2 different ways at the same time as well. Super neat. Now, this page is not a fact, it's an opinion. Seahorses are funny fish. Okay? So again, that is an opinion. Just like if you like seahorses, that's an opinion. Facts are proof. Cold, hard proof. And we are going to use this book in order to make a thinking map all about facts of seahorses so that we can write 3 or more facts about seahorses. Okay? I love you, boys and girls.